If you want to take a public transport from Frankfurt Airport Terminal 1, you have clicked the right video. Not just that, in the short video, I will also tell you how and which ticket to buy on the RMVgo app. Let's go. If you're arriving on an international flight from outside the Schengen area, first follow the signs to passport control for immigration checks. Once cleared, proceed to baggage claim and collect your luggage. After that, follow the signs marked towards exit. To reach public transport, simply follow the signs for regional Bahnhof or regional train station. The station is located directly beneath Terminal 1 and is short walk away and is easily accessible. You'll also find bus stops just outside the arrivals area. After exiting, look out for a blue tinted glass building. That's where the train and bus stations are.
These are the arrival terminals, and you have to come to this building. And from here you have regional trains, and after that, when you cross, this is the bus terminal.
Now, the RMVgo app, the official public transport app for the Frankfurt region, allow the necessary permissions, enter your destination, select the suggested route, and select the single or day ticket type as per your requirements. Über Frankfurt means via Frankfurt. Ohne Umweg mit bus means a direct journey without detours, round trips, return trips, or significant stopovers. I selected the day ticket as it gives the freedom to roam around the city till next morning 5 a.m. as of mid-2026. RMVgo app only accepts PayPal for ticket purchases. Make sure your PayPal account is set up before you arrive. Once your ticket is purchased, you're ready to board your train or bus and start your journey. I will put some helpful tips and tricks about exploring Frankfurt in the description. If you have found this video helpful, please smash the like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Have a great time.